All right, so we're finishing up the inspection at 37 Letitia Lane. And so what we got here is a wind and tree claim. On the front, we got one clearly wind damaged shingle as it's missing. And then there's a bunch of zippering going on, particularly around where the wind damage happened, in that sort of that middle section of the roof. I think it must have just an older shingle, so it probably came unbonded. It's a little bit tougher to tell on here because of all the moss and lichen, but as you can tell, what that means also, oh, more wind over here. Didn't notice it. So literally you're catching it as I'm catching it. So 2 wind damage shingles on the back at least. But the real issue here is a tree damage. So it's kind of harder to tell from over here, but there's a bunch of tree debris on the roof, as well as damage to all of these shingles on this left back slope over here. And so you can see tree damage to the chimney, to the gutters back there, and to the roof itself. Over here, really difficult section of the roof to access. See, I got all the tools out at the goat and the pitch hopper. That thing's a lifesaver. And so we got 2 wind damage shingle, a bunch of zippering going on. It's a discontinued shingle with 2 layers, and the roof is in poor condition. Yeah, that's pretty much what we got going here.